Okay, it's been a few days, but we're back at the property. Because of the weather, there was a delay in the progress of the putting in the rebarb and the forms for the foundation. But we're back on track today. They're doing the rebarb work, so we're so excited that the work continues to be done. Here's the rebarb work. It's a slow process, but they're getting in there. They're getting it done. Maybe next week we'll be ready to pour concrete. There's a view of the foundation work from the top of the hill here. It's going to be awesome when it's done. Going to be very awesome. Going to have great views. Going to be a beautiful house. Exciting, huh? Hey, thanks for joining us this time. Next time we hopefully will have phase 1 of the ICF pour, and we'll look forward to seeing you then. So don't forget to like us and subscribe to us below, and we'll see you next time.